Okay, we're gonna assemble this Cosco serving cart. I've already got started with one side. You see we got the legs that are screwed in with 4 screws, and there's a little plastic spacer piece that we install. So let's show you how to do that. Just line up your holes. You're gonna take your silver slotted screw and get them lined up with the holes. And you're just using a flat screwdriver to install that. Again, you got 2 on each leg. Make sure they're threading in there and get in good and tight. Once you got one leg in, and obviously I'm doing this upside down, you're going to take this little black plastic spacer piece, slide it in, and then take your other leg, push it in, take your, again, your silver slotted screws that you have, and hand thread them in there and make sure they're making contact with the threads in the holes on the rails. Alright, that's good and tight. Okay, we've got both sides done. Now we're going to install the top shelf. We're working this upside down, so we got these 2 clips that clip the trays on there when you're doing 2 trays in a row on the top. So we're going to take your gold screw, and this is like a 3/8 inch nut. The screw comes in from the outside, the nut goes on the inside. One side done, and then we'll move over to the other side. Just hand thread them at first. Now we'll do the other side. And you can tighten these with a pair of pliers or a 3/8 inch wrench, or a little crescent wrench like this, or if you've got a drill with that socket, you can do it the fast way. Just be careful not to over tighten them. Alright, and then you just need to do the bottom shelf, same way. Screws from the outside. And you can just put the screws in first and then put the nuts on the inside, if that works better. All right, I got all these nuts hand threaded, so I'm just gonna tighten them up. All right, and you're good. Then all you need to do is to set the shells on top. Let's see if I can show you how to do that real quick. I'm gonna put them end to end. That's the one option you have. And these fit in these little channels. Let's do this one. This end first. And the little clip holds them in place. And when you're just doing it with the two levels, you just set the shelf and it'll just set itself in there. So there you go.